You can trim a little bit of the extra fabric away, leaving about a 1-inch seam allowance here. We'll cut that off when we get to the serger. There we go. But it's starting to take shape. Okay, I'm ready to sew the shoulder pad. I'm using a 5-thread stitch and just black serger thread, so you can kind of see what I'm doing here. I'm cutting off about a 1/2 inch of the seam allowance around the shoulder pad as I go. I'm just pulling the fabric tight as I work. Come on, I gotta shorten my machine somewhere. But she keeps on going. Come on. Okay, that's how it should look when it's finished. Easy as that.